Hello, my students. Please open page number 164 in the textbook. Today we will take a new lesson. This lesson is called Carroll diagrams. Carroll diagrams. In this chapter, we have learned how can we handle the data into different ways, like tally charts, the pictogram, the bar charts. So here we will learn how can we handle data inside Carroll diagram. So let's read the solved example. We have a solved example here. Rita wants to sort these animals into different groups. So now I want to sort these animals into different groups. Here I have owls, okay, and I have cats. I have owls and I have cats. So I can say owl and not an owl. Is it right? Owl and not an owl. So how many owls here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 owls here. How many animals here? Not an owl. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4, not an owl. So look at the owls here. Here we have some owls. 2 of these owls are brown and the other 2 are not brown. And not an owl. One animal is brown and the other 3 are not brown. So we will draw a table like this, owl and not an owl. Okay, brown and not brown. Brown and not brown. So here we have 2 owls are brown, so here we have 2 owls are brown. And for not an owl, we have 1 animal is brown. Okay, so here we have 2, and here it's 1. Okay, for not brown, we have 2 owls are not brown, 2 owls are not brown. And for not an owl, we have 3 animals are not brown. 3 animals are not brown. So here we can write 2, and here it's 3. But of course, we will not draw owls and cats in the exam. I will bring, as an example, in the exam, I will bring a similar table, and I will bring a table like this, and I'm going to ask you to complete this table, to complete this one. Okay. So here, how many owls? How many brown owls? We have 2 owls are brown, so we will write 2. For not an owl, but it's brown, we have only 1. 1 animal is brown, so it's 1. We will write 1 here. Not brown, we have 2 owls are not brown. 2 owls are not brown, so we will write 2. And 3 animals are not brown, so we will write 3. So from Carroll diagram, we can see that there are 4 owls. Yeah, we have 4 owls because 2 and 2 is 4. This is the column of owls, so 2 and 2 equals to 4. So 4 owls. 2 are brown, 2 are brown, and the other 2 are not brown. The other 2 what? Are not brown. And here we have 4 animals. How can we know? 1 and 3 equals to 4. So we have 4 animals. One animal is brown, and the other 3 animals are not brown. The other 3 animals are not brown. Okay. We have another example here. Tom wants to sort these drinks into different groups. So here we have some drinks. So do you notice something? We have drinks in bottles and we have drinks in cans. Drinks in bottles and drinks in cans. So we can say bottled and not bottled. Bottled and not bottled. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 bottled drinks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 drinks, but they are not bottled. But what? They are not bottled. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 4 are bottled. Can we sort them can we sort them in another way? Okay, here he's telling you he then further sorts them by their flavors. So here I have grape flavor and lemon flavor. So I can say grape flavored, not grape flavored. No one tell me it's lemon flavored. Just you can say grape and not grape. Bottled, not bottled. I didn't write bottled and canned, grape and lemon. No, I write bottled and not bottled. Grape flavored, not grape flavored. So someone gonna ask me if I said lemon flavored, not lemon flavored, it would be wrong. No, it's right. But it depends on the question. Here in this solved example, he told you grape flavored, not grape flavored. So let's back to bottled and not bottled. Sorry. Here, one second. Here we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 bottles with grape. They are grape flavored, okay? And we have in the other part of not bottled, the grape. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here we have 4 grape flavored, and not bottled. Sorry, not grape flavored, not grape flavored. Here we have 1 only. Okay, we have 1. And in the other part, not bottled, we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 not bottled and not grape flavored. Okay, so we will draw a table like this, and we will write bottled, not bottled, grape flavored, not grape flavored. So here we have 3 drinks in a bottle, and they are in the grape flavor. Okay, they are in the grape flavor. Okay, so we will write 3. Not bottled with grape flavored. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we will write 4 here. Not grape flavored and bottled, only 1. It's 1. Here, not bottled and not grape flavored, 1, 2, and 3. So we will write 3. This is how can we handle the data into Carroll diagram. We have an example here. Sort these numbers using the Carroll diagram below. Okay. Even, not even, single digit number, not single digit number. What the meaning of single digit number? Single digit number from 0 to 9. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because it's a number forming from 1 digit. Not single digit number, numbers from 10, okay, greater than 10, from 10, and so on, okay? So here, I have even and not even. Even and not even. So let's count the number of even numbers first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, we have 7 even numbers. Someone gonna ask me, how can I know this number is an even number or not? I'm gonna revise it with you from 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Do you see that? I'm counting on in twos. And I started with the 0. So 0 is the smallest even number. 0 is the smallest even number. So all of these numbers are even. So someone can ask me if I have a big number and I want to know if it's even, if it's an even number or not. As an example, if I have 358. So look at the ones place value. Where the ones place value here? This is the ones place value, or sometimes we call it as the units place value. But it's common to say ones. Okay, the ones place value is 8, and 8 is even, or it's not an even number, it's an even number. So the whole number is an even number. But if I said 463, this 3, it's not an even number, so the whole number is not an even number. So this is how can we know the even numbers from the odd numbers. But here he didn't tell you even and odd. No, he told you even and not even. So someone gonna ask me, can I sort them by saying odd and not odd? Yeah, it's right. But as I told you, it depends on the question. And it depends on the table here. Okay? So here we have 7 even numbers. But I need the numbers single digit number, which is the number forming from 1 digit. Here we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 numbers, they are even, and they are forming from 1 digit only. So we have 3, so we will write 3 here. Not even. Okay, let's complete the column of even first. Not single digit number, but it's even. It's even, but not single digit number. Even, but not single digit number. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 numbers, they are even and not single digit number, more than 1 digit, okay? Not even we have 5, 7, 11, 15, and 13. But I need the single digit number, but they are not even. Single digit number, but it's not an even number. 5, 7, so we have 2 numbers only. I didn't ask you to write the numbers. I'm asking you how many numbers or how many odd numbers here. How many odd numbers here with 1 digit only. So you will tell me 2 numbers, 5 and 7. So I didn't ask you to write the numbers. I told you count the odd numbers. Count the numbers which are not even an even number, okay? Not single digit number, I told you here it's 4, but not single digit number, but it's not even, so it's 11 and 15, so we have 2 numbers. So in this way, we completed the table of Carroll diagram, and we have 2 questions here. Let's solve these 2 questions. How many of the numbers are even? How many of the numbers are even? So you will tell me 3? No. 4? No. Even numbers, so we will add the 3 and 4 together in the same column of the even numbers. This is the even numbers. So in the same column we have 3 and 4, which I have 7, which is 7, okay? So we have 7 even numbers. How many of the numbers are not even and not single digit number? Are not even and not single digit number are not even here. Not single digit number is here. So this is a number, okay? We have 2. How many of the numbers are not even? Are not even is here. Not single digit is here. So let's change the color. So here it's not single digit number and not even, they intersected here, okay, in this cell. So we have 2.